Sherehe ya Madaraka Day itakuwa Rangenyo Primary School ground on 1st of June 2025, and we will be hosting the county celebrations. Our chief guest will be the County Commissioner, Nyamira County, Bwana Erastus Mbui. Kwa sababu ya mvua tunawaomba waingie mapema so that we can finish in time. We would wish that you join us on that day as we celebrate our Madaraka Day. So I want to appeal to the people of Nyamira as at large that we celebrate together on that day. We expect you to attend in large numbers because this calls for patriotism. We want to encourage all our leaders, including our opinion leaders, wananchi waingie mapema. Kwa mambo ya usalama tumepanga vizuri, tutakuwa na maaskari hapo. We will ensure that there is peace and security throughout the function. And we want to thank the people of Nyamira because as we speak now in Nyamira South, we are enjoying a lot of peace because of that cordial relationship that we have with the members of the public. They are able to share with us a lot of information and we act on them.